I did a lot of research before I chose Cardinal, and a lot of that was, Google reviews and testimonials and that kind of thing too. But what I normally look for is the number of reviews that a company has, and then the number of high-rated reviews they have. And Cardinal, I think, had the most in the Madison area, and that would have been enough. I talked to their salespeople. Dale, I believe, was the salesperson that I talked to, and he was able to schedule an appointment with me probably like within a day or two of me contacting him. He answered all my questions. I had some pushback. I had some things I wanted to do that he wasn't sure were possible, but I asked him for these things that we wanted for better efficiency and that kind of thing, and he was able to put that together and didn't mind my asking questions. He was able to find the answers for me, and I knew exactly what I was expecting, and I knew what I'd be paying for it. And the day that everything was installed, we were amazed. It was like 7 o'clock, and I think 3 to 5 trucks showed up. And they were all really nice, really polite. They came down here, did all the work. We didn't need to get involved at all. If we hadn't been home, it wouldn't have mattered. We knew exactly what was going in. We knew how long it was going to take. And really at that point, the service had been so good that we didn't have any questions. And then we never needed to think about it again. It just was taken care of.